Now, why blue and what is to be done today? And what is the significance of the goddess? So, to bring it short, the significance of today's goddess, she is the Skandamata. Skandamata, the mother of Lord Kartikeyan. When we talk about Lord Kartikeyan, the first aspect which comes to our mind is the beautiful unison of the two gods, Shiva and Parvati, came along releasing all those blockages to bring in this beautiful energy into their lives as a gift to the earth to fight all the evil. So this time, goddess doesn't come on her own. She brings along with her the energies of Lord Kartikeya. Now, Lord Kartikeya, as we all know, is the god of knowledge and both the things at the same time. How empowering it could get. We can have a lot of knowledge, but if we don't have the power to communicate that knowledge, to use that knowledge and the wisdom to awaken the true beingness within us, then the wisdom is dormant. So, Lord Kartikeya is about exuding that knowledge, exuding that power, because he leads the army of the gods. He leads the army to fight against the demon. The demon is not outside, is within us. To fight those demons, we have to awaken Lord Kartikeyan, and Lord Kartikeyan is carried in the arms of the goddess Skandamata. She holds the god in her lap as it is her son. The son she is giving to the world to be protected from all evil. So, this also shows that spiritually how sacrificing we need to be, how awakened we need to be able to fight the demons. Now, the demons, known and unknown, often creating such havoc in our life, which we are not able to even understand why the things are not working. So, bring the transparency, beingness, is what the goddess. And the color blue is about the infinite possibility that are there, which has been given to us right from the birth our birth as the gift which we are bestowed upon. Again, blue signifies how well we communicate. To awaken the Lord here, we need to awaken the goddess Kandamata. So, in reverence to the goddess, I would request all of you to kindly bring your hands together and take 7 deep breaths. The 7 deep breaths essentially to activate all our chakras and enable the energies of to be within us in such way that they reach each and every cell of our body. So gently breathe in and breathe out, quietening your mind. Take deep breaths very gently. Set an intention that today I awaken the goddess of manifestation into my beingness, my mind, body, and the spirit. With that invocation, stay focused on your breath and visualize the energies being poured down upon you, reaching each and every cell of your body, creating that alchemy needed to manifest the life of your dreams. Devi Skandamataya Namaha. Om 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 Devi Skandamataya Namaha. Feel the vibrations in your head and your body as it prepares yourself to welcome the goddess into your beingness. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Skandamataya Sanskrita Namastasye 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 Namo Namaha. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Skandamataya Sanskrita Namastasye 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 Namo Namaha. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Skandamataya Sanskrita Namastasye 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 Namo Namaha. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Skandamataya Sanskrita Namastasye 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 Namo Namaha. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Skandamataya Sanskrita Namastasye 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 Namo Namaha. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Skandamulai Namastuti Namastuti Namastuti. Be in the energy and feel her vibrations flow in your whole body and your spirit. Feel the whole of your body vibrating in the frequencies of the goddess Skandamata and her skull and her son Kartikeyan, empowering you to manifest with love, and also the goddess bestowing her blessings onto you to walk on the path of enlightenment. The blessings of salvation, power, and prosperity being showered upon you. May each one of us be blessed with the energies of the goddess who will give us the wisdom and also awaken us to walk on the path to salvation. Feel the expanse of the color blue around you and your whole aura turning into a beautiful sheath of the infinite blue. Feel yourself engulfed completely in the beautiful energies of Mata Skanda Mata and the Devi bestowing her blessings onto you. Feel the whole world being blessed and healed. Feel the prosperity exuding in this whole world, in every human being's life. Feel the demons which we are fighting being destroyed by this beautiful energy awakening within us. Feel the peace within and very gently place both your hands on your heart. Feel her presence in your heart and from her heart radiating to every cell of your body.
For now.